So future CS students, there is big update. ICSI has completely changed CSET from June 2026 and this will affect your preparation fee and everything. So ICSI has officially restructured the CSET exam form from June 2026 onwards. This means your old remote MCQ pattern is over and now new offline exam is coming. Well, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and this is CS अंजुल और आज मैं ये वीडियो लेकर आ गई हूँ क्योंकि जो कि मोस्ट रिक्वेस्टेड थी। बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग थे जो CSET के लिए अपियर करना चाह रहे थे बट दे वर कंफ्यूज्ड क्योंकि CSET का जो एग्जाम स्ट्रक्चर पैटर्न था वो पहले इट वाज डिफरेंट एंड अभी ICSI ने काफी कुछ चेंजेस लेकर आया है। सो इस वीडियो में मैं वो सारे चेंजेस के बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ। अगर आप भी CS एस्पिरेंट है जो कि CSET देना चाहते हैं या देने वाले हैं तो प्लीज ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। सो लेट्स get started. So first change, which is the exam mode. Earlier students gave CSET from home in MCQ format. Now exam will be conducted at physical centers in offline mode and exams will happen across 4 separate days. Yes, आपका एक दिन में exam खत्म नहीं होने वाला है. You have to go for 4 separate days. Second change is attempts in a year. Now CSET will be held only 3 times every year, which would be Feb, June and October. February, June and October. Earlier it was 4 times a year. So this is the big change. Third big change, new syllabus. Now it is going to be of 400 marks. There would be 4 papers of 100 marks each. First would be business communication, second fundamentals of accounting which is newly added, third economics and business environment and fourth business laws and management. Fourth change, exam pattern. Paper 1, 2 and 3 are going to be descriptive and written, but the paper 4 which is business laws and management is going to be OMR based, which is objective based. So yes, now writing practice is compulsory and mandatory to pass. Fifth change is passing criteria. You need minimum 40% in each paper and overall 50% in aggregate to pass CSET and go towards CS Executive. Now sixth big change, which is registration fees. Now total CSET registration fee would cost you approx 9,000 rupees. Coming on to seventh important point, which is CS result validity. After clearing CSET, you need to register in CS Executive within 1 year from the date of declaration of your result. Like whenever you passed, you have to just register for CS Executive within 1 year. That's not mandatory that you have to give CS Executive within 1 year. It's just whenever you passed, you have to register for CS Executive within 1 year. If you delay beyond that period, additional compliance or fresh requirement may apply as per ICSI rules. Now, coming on to who all can apply for CSET. Students who have passed or are appearing in 12th standard can apply for CSET. Also, over the screen, I would be putting all the registration dates for the attempts. When can you apply for your ready reference? Now, honestly, I think that this change is so good. Now only serious students will prepare better from the start and CS Executive level will become easier later, because you know what happened recently was CSET was so easy, objective based. You have to give from home on remote proctored mode basis and all. So students take it so lightly and they don't have to write the exam. They get passed easily. But now when they'll go to exam center, write the exam, study about that thoroughly, then that would be so good for each and every student that only the good crowd and serious crowd would get into the next stage and all the unserious crowd and students would be filtered out. Also guys, one tip from my end, that there are so good YouTube channels and academies, those who provide free lectures. So you can refer their lectures also. Also, you have to refer the ICSI's module and study that. You'll surely pass because everything comes from module itself. So guys, that's it from my side. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. I hope that this would help you a lot and this one would be informative. For more such videos like this, subscribe to my channel, do like, share, comment and tell me that how this video was, doubts you are having, so you can drop all those in my comment section. I would be trying to reply all of those and meet you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.